Now let's look at word problems involving number bases. A number is written as 37 in base x. Twice the number is written as 75 in base x. Find the value of x. So let's start solving this problem. So twice the number, so twice 37 base x is written as 75 in base x. So when you solve this problem, when you're going to change this one to base 10, we change this one to base 10. So we have 3 times x plus 7 times x, and we have 7 times x plus 5 times x. So 0 1 0 1. So we have 2 outside, 3 times x, 3x. This will give you 1. So we have 7 here, and you have 7x plus 5. So 2 multiplies it, we have 6x plus 2 multiplies 7, we have 14. We have 7x plus 5. So in the group like terms, we have 14 minus 5, and you have 7x minus 6x. So we have 9 here equal x. So therefore x is equal to 9. Now the next example, we have to find the possible value of y if 12 is equivalent to 14 base y. So if 12 is equivalent to 14 base y, let's find. Now 12 is already in base 10, so we have 12 1 times y plus 4 times y. So 0 1, so we have 12 equal y plus 4. So we have 12 minus 4 equal y, and we have 8 equal y. So therefore y is equal to 8. Now the next example is we have to find the area and perimeter of a square of side 120 base 3 centimeter. Now we know that a square is a polygon with all sides equal. All the sides are equal. So if this is 120 base 3, this is also 120 base 3. All the sides are equal. So we have to find the area and perimeter. Now the area of a square is given as length times length. So that's 120 base 3 times 120 base 3. So you can either change this to base 10 and multiply it twice, or you can go by the normal multiplication approach. So 120 base 3, 120 base 3. So 0 0 is 0. We have 0, we have 0, we have 0. 2 2 is 4. So 2 2 is 4. We can't just write 4 because 4 is not in is greater than this 3. So we need to change 4 to base 3. So 3 goes to 4. So we have 4 here, 3. So 3 goes to 4, 1 remainder 1. So write 1, carry here. So 2 times 1 is 2, plus this one is 3. So we can't write 3 because this is in base 3. So 3 base 3, that's 3 divided by 3, that's 1 remainder 0. So write the 0 and 1. The next one is 1. So 1 0 is 0, 1 2 is 2, 1 1 is 1. Now our next target is the addition. So we have 0 here, we have 0 here, we have 1 here, we have 2 here, and we have 2 here. So the area becomes 2 2 1 0 0 base 3. Now let's look at the perimeter. The perimeter is the summation of all the 4 sides. The summation of all the 4 sides. So in most cases we say 4L. So with this, we can first of all change the length, that's 120 base 3, to base 10 after I multiply it by 4. 4 is not in base 3, so we can't just multiply. Or if possible, we can change 4 to base 3. The answer you get, then multiply by 120. So let's say you are going to change this one to base 10. 1 times 3, 2 times 3, and 0 times 3. So we have 0, 1, 2. We have 9 plus 6 plus 0. So we have 4 and 15, making 60. So we have 60 here. Then you change 60 to base 3 because the work is in base 3. So let's change 60 to base 3. 3 goes here. We have 20. We have 20. Remainder is 0. We have 6. Remainder is 2. We have 2. Remainder is 0. And 0, 2. So therefore, the perimeter is equal to 2020 base 3 centimeter, and the area is centimeter square. So that's how it works. Now the other method is that you are going to change 4 to base 3. So we have 4 here. So we have the problem is 120 base 3. So let's change 4 to base 3. So 4 to base 3. 3 goes here 1. Remember 1, it goes here 0, 1. So 4 to base 3 is equal to 1 base 3. So with this, we are going to multiply 11 base 3 to 120 base 3. So we have 120 base 3 and 11 base 3. So 10 is 0, 12 is 2, 11 is 1, 10 is 0, 12 is 2, 11 is 1. So we have 0, 2, we have 3 here. We can write 3. So it's 0, remember 1, making 2. So this is the answer to the problem up here. It's just the same as the previous one. Now let's look at this case too. We have a rectangle here. We have to find the area of the rectangle. Area of rectangle is given as length times breadth. So the length, which is 1101 base 2, and the base, which is 11 base 2. So we have 1 0 1 1, and we have 1 0 1 1. So 1 1 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 in base 2. Then we have 0 here, 2. So 0, remember 1. 1 will be added to this, so we have 0 again and 1. So therefore, the area, which is 1101 base 2 centimeter times 11 base 2 centimeter, is equal to 100,123 centimeter squared base 2. Now the perimeter of the rectangle is given as 2L plus 2W, or you say L plus L plus W plus W. Now let's consider this first method. Let's call this method 1. So in the first method, now the length is given as, that's 1101 base 2 plus 1101 base 2. That's L plus L. Let's look at W plus W. That's 11 base 2 plus 11 base 2. So you can sum up this. So let's see, 1101 1101. We have 2 here, 2 there. So 1 plus 1 is 2. We can write 2. So 0 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 0 1, making 3. That's 1, remember 1. Plus 11 2, 11 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2. We can write 2. So 0 1, making 3. That's 1 1. So in all, we are going to add the answers we had here, and that 11010 base 2 and 110 base 2. So 0 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 2, you can write 2, so 0 1, making 2 here again, so 0 1, making 2 here again, so 0 1, making 2 here again, so 0 1. So therefore the perimeter is giving us 1 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 base 2. This is the perimeter. The next method you can consider, that's perimeter equal to L plus 2W. So perimeter equal, now the length is 1101 base 2, and the width is also 11 base 2. So we are going to change this to base 10. That's 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus another 1 times 2. This is for the first length. Now let's look at the width. That's 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2. So 0 1 0 1 2 3. So 2 raised to the power 3 times 1, we have 8, and we have 4 here, and we have 0, and we have 1, and this we have 2 here, we have 2 plus 1, so we have 2 outside, 8 plus 4 plus 1, that's 13, and we have 3 here, so we have 26 plus 6, in all we have 32. So we are going to change this 32. Don't forget that this is in base 10. You change this 32 to base 3 because you are dealing, sorry, base 2. You change this 32 to base 2 because you are dealing in base 2. So we are changing 32 to base 2. So 2 goes here, 16 remainder 0, 2 goes into 16, 8 remainder 0, it goes into 8, 4 remainder 0, it goes into 4, 2 remainder 0, into 2, 1 remainder 0, so 0 1. So therefore the perimeter becomes 1 1 2 3 4 5 base 2 centimeter. So this is the answer to the problem.